In the digital age, our devices promise freedom, yet sometimes they build invisible walls. Consider this common scene. You're listening to a podcast, a lecture, or music on YouTube. You need to check a message, or simply want to lock your phone to save battery. The moment you do, the sound stops. The video pauses. Silence. This isn't a glitch. It's a deliberate design choice by YouTube for its free users. A gentle, persistent nudge towards a premium subscription. The message is clear. Pay or be tethered to your screen. But what if there was a secret passage, a digital loophole hidden in plain sight? Today, we uncover that very trick. A simple method to minimize YouTube. Lock your iPhone screen and let the audio play on, all without spending a cent. It's a story of constraint, creativity, and reclaiming a slice of digital autonomy. The standard YouTube mobile app is engineered to pause. It halts your content when you switch apps or darken your screen. This creates friction. For the audio-focused listener, it means your phone screen must stay awake, draining precious battery life. It means accidental touches in your pocket can stop your podcast mid-sentence. It means you cannot multitask freely. This experience is curated. It's the free tier's reality, designed to showcase the premium tier's benefits, background play, and downloads. But necessity is the mother of invention. Users began to seek alternatives. They explored browsers, settings, and third-party apps. Through this collective digital tinkering, a reliable solution emerged. It doesn't require jailbreaking your phone or installing shady software. It leverages an existing, reputable tool, the Brave browser. Brave is a privacy-focused browser available for free on the App Store. Its core feature is blocking ads and trackers, but within its architecture lies the key to our audio freedom. Here is the elegant four-step process. First, download the official Brave browser. Second, open YouTube within Brave, navigating to your desired video. Third, look at the address bar. You will see a small musical note icon, a freight train symbol. Tap it. This action opens the audio in a dedicated minimalist player. Fourth, and finally, press your iPhone's lock button. The screen goes dark, but the sound, it continues. You have just decoupled audio from video. You have freed the soundtrack from its visual cage. This works because Brave treats the YouTube page differently. That Open in Playlist function essentially extracts the audio stream into a native iOS media player. The system then recognizes it as background audio, much like Apple Music or a podcast app. YouTube's app restriction is bypassed. The result is pure, uninterrupted audio. You can now lock your phone, place it in your pocket, and use other apps while your lecture, music, or documentary plays on. It transforms your phone into an efficient audio device. I must add a note of verification. This method has been personally tested and confirmed on iOS. The digital landscape on Android is more fragmented, with reports varying on success. The principle, however, stands as a testament to user ingenuity. It reminds us that our interaction with technology is not always passive. We can probe its boundaries. We can find elegant workarounds. This isn't about cheating a system. It's about adapting a tool to better serve a human need, the need to listen, to learn, and to move through the world unencumbered. So the next time you reach for your headphones, remember you have a choice. You can accept the default path, or you can take a small, simple detour. Open Brave, tap the node, and reclaim your audio. The soundtrack to your life doesn't have to pause when you look away.